Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to view your bank statements on Maybank in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster, more secure, and user-friendly, making it a breeze for anyone managing their finances. Whether you're checking transactions for budgeting or tax purposes, let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Maybank app installed on your phone or access their website via a secure browser. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store or visit maybank.com. It's free and straightforward. Step 1. Open the app and log in using your username, password, and the new 2025 biometric features like fingerprint or facial recognition. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your data. Once logged in, head to the Accounts Overview section. Here, you'll see all your linked accounts. Tap on the one you want to review. Step 2. Navigate to the Statements tab, which is prominently featured in the updated interface for easy access. Step 3. Select your desired statement period. Maybank now offers flexible options like monthly, quarterly, or even custom date ranges, so you can tailor it to your needs. Step 4. Choose to view the statement directly on your screen or download it as a PDF. The 2025 version even lets you export it straight to your cloud storage for safekeeping. A quick tip: always log out after you're done and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. If you encounter any glitches, Maybank's 24/7 support chat is just a tap away. And that's it, you've successfully viewed your bank statement in under a minute. This simple process can help you stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.